Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mining News Flash. Today with Fortuna Mining, Miata Metals, Canada Nickel and Blue Moon Metals on Commodity.TV. This video is distributed and paid for on behalf of Fortuna Mining, Miata Metals, Canada Nickel and Blue Moon Metals. Fortuna Mining, strong economics at the Diamba Sud gold project in Senegal. Fortuna Mining has released an impressive economic feasibility study for the Diamba Sud gold project in Senegal. The new PEA shows that at a gold price of $2,750 per ounce, the net present value after taxes is around $563 million and the internal rate of return is an impressive 72%. The investment costs are estimated at $283 million, meaning the payback period is just 10 months. In the first 3 years, the mine is expected to deliver approximately 147,000 ounces of gold annually at low production costs of around $900 per ounce. The project is located in a geologically extremely promising area near the border with Mali and offers the potential to extend its life well beyond 10 years. Fortuna Mining is thus presenting an economically strong project and, with Diamba Sud in Senegal, is moving into the league of potential new gold producers. Miata Metals' new drilling successes expand the gold system in Suriname. Miata Metals has scored with fresh drill results in the Jons Trend of its Sela Creek project in Suriname. Among other things, 27 meters with 1.45 grams of gold per ton and 16.5 meters with 1.72 grams per ton were drilled, partly in zones very close to the surface. The drilling shows 3 clearly defined mineralized areas extending over several hundred meters that are interesting for potential open pit mining. This further expands the scale of the gold system, and Miata can now systematically develop the exploration potential of its project. Canada Nickel, the Crawford project, delivers strong figures and green added value. Canada Nickel has presented the results of its economic study for the large Crawford nickel project in Ontario, and ladies and gentlemen, they are really impressive. With a net present value of around $2.5 billion and a lifespan of over 40 years, Crawford is one of the largest nickel sulfide projects in the world. What makes it special is that the project is expected to sequester up to 1.5 million tons of CO2 annually through innovative rock storage, potentially making it CO2 negative. This not only makes Crawford economically attractive, but also one of the most sustainable nickel projects in the world. Canada Nickel combines size with green credentials, positioning itself as a future key supplier for climate-friendly metal production. Blue Moon Metals, new course with acquisition of the Springer mine and planned Nasdaq listing. Blue Moon Metals is starting a new chapter. The company has signed a letter of intent to acquire the Springer critical metals mine in Nevada, including a modern process facility. With the purchase, Blue Moon aims to create a central hub in the United States to process material from several smaller underground mines in the future, a so-called hub-and-spoke model. At the same time, the company plans to list on the US technology exchange Nasdaq in order to significantly expand its visibility and capital base. The facility in Nevada was originally designed for tungsten, but according to Blue Moon, it can be quickly converted to critical metals. With the Springer acquisition and the planned IPO in the US, Blue Moon is strategically repositioning itself and laying the foundation for growth in the critical metal sector. You can also find all the information on our Commodity.TV app in German and English, as well as everything related to commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate, and SRC, its employees, and/or I and myself may be or are shareholders of the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.